Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your docs into your Bitmart wallet. So you can transfer it into Bybit, you can transfer it into OKX. So I've already transferred my couple of wallet to Bybit and Telegram wallet. Now I will show you how you can transfer it into Bitget wallet, Bitget exchanger. So here is my Bitget exchanger. I'm going to enter the Bitget exchanger, and in order to taking docs address as well as UID, okay, of Bitget. So I'm going to go asset. Here is a little bit login process I have, because long time I didn't logged in this account, therefore it is happening. So sorry for that. So it's going to take a little bit verification process. I'm going to pause it a little bit. So here is click on asset and do search by docs, and here is you will find docs. So click this three dot button in here, click the deposit, and here is choose tone, and here is your copy option. If you noticed in here, click this copy. And another thing you need to take from Bitmart is click on this evoke button. If you noticed in here, I'm showing you uh, so in here, so click in here in order to doing this task efficiently. So copy it, click on this UID would be copied, and what I need to do is now go to the Telegram, where you need to paste everything. So here is this on. I already did it because video was slightly paused. It was my mistake, sorry for that. So here is I already withdrawing this stuff. Click on this withdrawing and select exchange, then select Bybit, select Bitget, then paste your UID, paste your docs address, and then send it, and it will be withdrawing like this. Okay, like this it will be withdrawing. So it simple as that. So see you later in the next time.